The island of Lamu, just off the northern coast of Kenya, is a beautiful and fascinating place with its unique Swahili culture and friendly people. In our last episode, we discussed the Lamu Cultural Festival. However, if you visit this wonderful island, where are some of the most affordable places for you to stay? Stay tuned to learn more. Welcome to Smart Up Travel. I am Ifeani. Thank you very much. Thank you. The island of Lamu has been inhabited by people for well over 1,000 years. Many artists, poets, traders, and famous business people has called this island home. The Lamu Cultural Festival stands as a testimony to the great culture which flourished on this island. However, when you visit this island, where is a very affordable and best accommodation for you to stay? But before I get to that, if you're new to the channel, kindly like, share, and subscribe by clicking on the red box below this video that says subscribe. Okay, coming in at number 5 on our list of the top 5 accommodations you can stay when you visit the beautiful and wonderful Lamu Island is Banana House and Wellness Center. Banana House is a home away from home, but with the luxury of a hotel. You feel at home as soon as you step through the beautiful Lamu doors. The garden with an eco-friendly pool, the relaxed atmosphere, and the space and the flowers is what stands out immediately as you arrive. Featuring an outdoor swimming pool, Banana House and Wellness Center is located in Shila Village, Lamu. It is 1.7 miles from the Gallery Baraka. The property is set 1.7 miles from the Lamu Fort. The property features a garden and sea views, a barbecue, and free Wi-Fi is available. All rooms at the guest house are fitted with a seating area. Rooms are complete with a private bathroom, fitted with a shower and free toiletries, while some units at the Banana House and Wellness Center also boost a terrace. A continental breakfast is served every morning at the property. Staff are available 24 hours and you can get support in the English language, German and French. Lamu Museum is only 1.9 miles away from the accommodation. Coming in at number 4 on our list, Baitl Habib. Situated in Lamu, Baitl Habib offers a beachfront accommodation. It's only 1.9 miles away from the Sheila Beach and features various facilities such as a shared lounge, a garden, and a terrace. Boosting room service. This property also provides guests with a children's playground. The accommodation offers a 24-hour front desk, airport transfer, a shared kitchen, and free Wi-Fi. All rooms are fitted with air conditioning, a dishwasher, a microwave, a kettle, a hot tub, a hairdryer, and a desk. At the guest house, rooms are equipped with a wardrobe, a flat-screen TV, and private bathroom. Popular points of interest near this accommodation includes the Gallery Baraka, Lamu Fort and Museum, and the nearest airport, Lamu Airport, is only 1.2 miles away from Baitl Habib. Coming in at number 3 on our list is Amu House. Amu House is a fully restored 16th century Swahili house with 7 comfortable self-contained guest rooms, each with its own veranda or porch on the 2 upper floors. They serve full breakfast downstairs in the historic original Swahili house and have a beautiful breezy rooftop with a hammock and day beds for all guests to enjoy. Conveniently located just a minute's walk away from the jetty and the seafront, Amu's house is perfectly situated, a quiet and private home in the middle of a historic paradise. Coming in at number 2 on our list is Jamala Guesthouse. Jamala Guesthouse is light and centrally located next to the Lamu Fort in the historic oldest part of Lamu. It is a quiet and private resort with a relaxing garden compound. All rooms have private bathrooms with hot water. There is a kitchen for common use, couches to relax, as well as a rooftop with great view of the sea. The Jamala Guesthouse features a common kitchen and seating area. In addition, a continental breakfast can be enjoyed in the breakfast area. Okay, coming in at number 1 on our list, but before I get to that, can I get a drum roll? At number 1, Jambo House. Jambo House, Lamu is located on one of the highest places in town. From the rooftop, guests have a nice view of Lamu town and can see the sunrise, and at some times of the year can also see the sunset. Jambo House is located 3 minutes away from the Lamu Fort and a 5-minute walk away from the Lamu Museum. The closest shop is just 5 meters away. Popular points of interest near Jambo House includes Gallery Baraka, Ridham Mosque, and Mkunguni Square. The accommodation is only 1.2 miles away from the Lamu Airport. I do trust that you check out these accommodations. You will definitely find them rewarding and exciting when you visit Lamu Island. Lamu is truly an amazing place and offers mind-blowing experiences to all its visitors. The World Heritage Committee inscribed Lamu Old Town on the UNESCO World Heritage List in 2001. The most outstanding expression of Lamu Old Town is its architecture and distinctly unique Swahili culture. The town of Lamu began life as a 14th century Swahili settlement, of which was influenced by many visitors and influences, including Portuguese explorers, Turkish traders, and the Omani Arabs. Indeed, all these people left their mark, but Lamu developed its own particular culture, which has ultimately endured. Lamu's narrow streets remain unchanged, and in the markets and squares around the fort, life moves at the same pace as it always has. There are no vehicles on this island, and the donkey and the special boats remain the dominant form of transport. The people of Lamu are great believers in tradition and custom. For the traveler, Lamu is a hypnotical, exotic experience, made even more enjoyable by the relaxed and welcome attitudes of the locals. If any of you watching have been to Lamu, please share your experience in the comment section below. And those who may like to visit or have visited similar islands in Africa, share your comments below. I would like to hear from you. Thank you for watching Smart Up Travel. Remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel by clicking on the red box below this video that says subscribe. Thank you.